Hello friends, welcome to Just For You channel. Today in top 5 product listing video, I discuss about list of 5 best hand blenders for kitchen. Those are very popular in 2018 on Amazon. Also very useful and in your budget. In this video, I also discuss those features and specifications. So let's talk about it. Number 1. Orpat HBB 100E. Orpat HBB 100E hand blender comes with white color body and its elegant design is very stylish. It has multi-purpose fixed stainless steel blades. Its power consumption has 250 watts and operating voltage capacity is 230 volts. This product also comes with 18,000 RPM motor. It has long power cord with unbreakable polycarbonate bulb. Orpat hand blender is easy to store and wash with smooth and safe switch. It also has unique comfort grip system which make it very comfortable to use for your modern kitchen. Number 2. Bajaj HM01. Bajaj HM01 hand mixer comes with black color body and its build quality is very stylish. It has 3-speed controls for superior baking experience. Its power consumption has 250 watts. This product is very useful for your modern kitchen and it can help to cooking delicious foods within a few minutes. Number 3. Prestige PHB 5.0. Prestige PHB hand blender comes with a blender jar, a chopper with a wall hook system and its build quality is very good. Its power consumption has 200 watt and voltage capacity is 230 volts. It has spring-loaded chopping blades and 2-speed control settings. This product comes with 0.71 kg of weight. It is very powerful and very useful to make delicious food within a few minutes. Number 4. Maharaja White Line Turbo Mix King. Maharaja White Line Turbo Mix King hand blender comes with white and red color and built-in ergonomic design body. It has super sharp blades which can help mix your favorite foods very well. It has hanging loop, 500 ml chopper and 800 ml baker. Its power consumption has 350 watts and voltage capacity is 230 volts. This product is made in India. It is detachable and foot is built with metal. It also comes with 1 breaker, 1 chopper with manual guide and 2-year warranty card. It is very powerful so you can blend your favorite food very quickly. Number 5. Murphy Richards HBCP. Murphy Richards hand blenders comes with white color body and its build quality is very good. This product also comes with 2-speed soft push button. Its power consumption has 400 watts and voltage capacity is 230 volts. It also comes with chopper attachment, measuring breaker, instruction manual, customer care list and 2 years warranty card. It is very useful for blending your favorite food very quickly. If you want to know the current price of those blender list, please check in my video description below. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please thumbs up below. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on notification bell. Get upcoming video notification in your mailbox. Feel free to comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.